Night snow and ice buildup at a boat storage facility in Richmond Hill led to the collapse of 3 boat sheds. 40 boats were damaged. Now the owners are wondering what their next steps will be. And WSAV's Christine Quayle is digging deeper into exactly what happened.
After a snowfall that rivals anything our area has seen in years, this boat shed here behind me collapsed. You can see some of the pretty significant damage behind me here. Fort McAllister Marina sits on a beautiful, serene stretch of coast until this week when that piece was interrupted by a crash.
Most of the T-tops, well, I'd say all the T-tops of everybody's boat is ruined, so that's got to be replaced. And then the steel structure hit the side of my boat, so there's extensive glass damage as well.
Several boats in various states of disrepair after the shed they were stored under caved in, and dozens more damaged further down the road at a boatyard also owned by the marina when 2 other sheds collapsed.
This is an unprecedented event. Nobody could foresee us getting this much ice. Again, if it was just snow, you and I wouldn't be having this conversation. But because we had so much ice, we had a storage facility collapse.
Well, many agree that the situation was unavoidable.
The structure that was put up a couple of years ago really was designed for wind, so with all the slush and ice, it was just too much weight.
Others are skeptical, posting online comments about the stability of the structure.
Everybody was calling, checking on their boats, and of course the Facebook warrior was out there putting it all over Facebook, which all that did was just made us get more calls.
But owner Butch Broom says he's done the math.
We did calculations on this building back here, and it was determined that 2 inches of snow was about 6,500 pounds. 2 inches of sleet, or 2.5 inches of sleet, was right at 70,000 pounds.
And while the boats in question will need repairs.
It makes sense. I was more concerned with my house, so I got home to shovel parts of the roof off that were low pitch. This can be fixed. The house would be a much bigger deal.
Several other structures like sheds and storage facilities have also collapsed throughout the region in recent days, making this incident here just one of many caused by some of this unusual weather. Reporting in Richmond Hill, Christine Quayle, WSAV News 3, on your side.